Did you know that human beings can make eye contact from distances of up to 120 feet? Impressive, right? But eye contact is more than just a visual connection. It's a powerful form of communication that can reveal a lot about a person. The art of eye contact. When someone looks directly into your eyes without turning away, it shows that they're truly engaged in the conversation. However, be aware that eye contact can also be used to hide the truth. To determine if someone is being honest, pay attention to other clues as well. Eye contact and creativity. Have you ever noticed that people sometimes look in different directions when they talk? It's like they're sharing their thoughts with their eyes. When someone looks to the right, it often means they're thinking creatively and coming up with new ideas. On the other hand, looking to the left indicates that they're recalling memories. The widening of the eyes in attraction. Ever seen someone's eyes get bigger when they're talking to someone they like? It's not just a coincidence. Bigger eyes show a strong connection, possibly even romantically. It's a sign that they're fully focused on the other person, and that there's a special bond between them. The power of a wink. A wink is more than a playful gesture. It's like a secret signal shared through the eyes. When someone winks, they're saying, "We share something special, an inside joke or a secret understanding." It adds a touch of fun and closeness to the conversation. Gazing upwards and downwards. Where you look can show how you feel. Looking upwards shows confidence, while looking downwards may indicate unhappiness or uncertainty. Next time you engage in a conversation, pay attention to the art of eye contact. It's a powerful tool that can help you understand others better and enhance your communication skills. Remember, the eyes truly are the windows to the soul.